Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to get rid of an annoying feature in Windows 10. It's when you go to install an app or run certain apps in Windows 10, your screen will dim, a little tone, and you'll see this message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Every time I say yes. I'll show you how to get rid of this once and for all. Go to search, type in UAC. And this is where mine is set. I want to set right down here. And it's not recommended, but as long as you're careful what you install, you won't have any problems. Click OK. And you're not going to see this. My recording software won't pick it up. I'm clicking yes. This is what popped up. My recording software won't pick it up. So I click yes, and now when I run programs now, I will never get this annoying pop-up in Windows 10. So like I said, if you're careful on what you install, you will never have any problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.